All right, hey, this is Chris from TD Motion. I have on the floor today an AOD conversion kit that we're providing to a customer. He has an early classic Mustang with a C4 transmission. The AOD is going to give you that extra overdrive gear, keep the RPMs down low, especially going 65, 70 miles per hour. And what's nice about this kit, it's going to have everything that you need to do the swap. So of course we have the transmission here. This is a stage 2 transmission. It's capable of handling up to about 450 horsepower. Has a steel input shaft on it, the matching stall speed torque converter, and then we're going to have everything else that we have here in order for him to do the whole swap. So you can have the full case of the synthetic fluid. We have the mid plate that goes between the block and the transmission. You have the cross member. We have the output yoke, the flex plate. So we need to have the proper flex plate for the AOD. Has the proper imbalance weight on it. And then you have all the necessities for your carburetor bracket, your kick down linkage cable, and then the dip tube. So all of this is available through tdmotion.com.